Now this step is easy to mess up, so I want you to be really careful. Take some notes if you have to, but this is something you are going to do dozens of times, if not hundreds of times. Okay, but the first time you do it, it's different. So with this pattern tile selected, use your shortcut to make a pattern. And then the first thing you do before you even mess with it is come over here to the name in the pattern options. Now, I have shown you in prior videos that I put this inside my custom workspace. And I've encouraged you to make a custom workspace. If your pattern options are floating out here, well, that's just fine if that's how you want to work. I want to work smart. So I'm going to highlight that name. And remember, we copied the file name? Command V. If for some reason that's not on your clipboard, all that is your ID number and then an underscore and then 01 because this is the 01 file. So the pattern name begins, listen, it begins with the file name. And then all you do after that's there is add 01. So it's the file 01, and then we have pattern 01. And we are going to follow this up with pattern 02, 03, 04, and we'll never have to type or paste that information again if we do everything right. Do you got that? So I'm going to hit return to accept that name, and then the first default pattern usually works. Usually, not always. But this works. So I'm going to hit escape. And Illustrator just crashed. Look at this. Illustrator's gone. So let that be a lesson that Illustrator does crash. And here you see the quest I am making. I'm going to stop this right now because it's important for you to understand Illustrator does crash.